Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Short AI with a quick demo. This particular tool helps you turn the long ideas into the short form videos automatically. So I will walk you through exactly how it actually works so that you can start creating fast. First of all, come here on short.ai. Once you are here, simply sign up with the help of your Google account. Over here, click on the option of Go to Dashboard on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you do this, you will be shown a bunch of different options over here on the home page itself. So here we have a bunch of different AI tools like autoclip, then we have AI image, AI script, etc. So you can click on any one of these, whichever you want to generate basically. So let's say I want to generate an AI image. So after clicking on it, you just have to select the aspect ratio in which you want to generate that image. Then it is going to use the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. So here you just have to give a prompt. After that, simply hit the generate button. Now as soon as you hit the generate button, it is going to ask you to subscribe for their paid plan. So their basic plan is going to goes to $19 per month, their pro plan is going to cost to $30 per month, and their enterprise plan is going to cost to $60 per month. With the link that is given in the description, you will get some of the discounts here on these tools. When you come on the home page, you will see the auto clip option. When you click on it, you just have to provide your YouTube video link here, then click on the option of get clips. Now as soon as you do this, this particular tool is going to cut the most valuable shorts out of your long form videos, and all of these will be available here to export and editing. So this way you will be able to use Short AI. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.